My name's George. I'm a manufacturing engineer here at SAS International, and I've been doing my apprenticeship for the last 4 years. My apprenticeship here at SAS consists of days in college as well as days in the workplace, and throughout the 4 years of my apprenticeship, this has changed in terms of the duration at each place. So one of the key projects I've been working on is fabric, and I enjoy it as it's very complex and means I get a different challenge every day. I think naturally a lot of the skills I've learned in the apprenticeship will start to trickle into other areas of my life, which I've already seen a lot in the last 4 years since I've been doing my apprenticeship. And I think after my apprenticeship, it'll just be the same thing. I don't think it'll slow down. So being an apprentice at International, not only do I get to work on some great projects, it's also increased my confidence and responsibility throughout my apprenticeship, which really has transferred into every other aspect of my life, which I'm grateful for. As a kid growing up, I wasn't the most confident, but now I can comfortably say that my confidence level is higher than it's ever been. I'd really recommend an apprenticeship to others as it makes it both learning as well as work, which for a person like myself is better as that's a better way of learning for me.